Hello guys, it's Tolu again. So I am going to the bank. I want to get to the bank. I saw something. I was trying to pay for something. I was using an app and I was trying to make payments. So while trying to make that payment, they needed to send me my one-time password, and the number that I saw there isn't my number. I didn't register with this number and I'm getting scared. So I really need to get to the bank to correct it. I want to make sure that no issues with my account. Because how would they send my one-time password to another number that I do not know from anywhere? I've never registered that number, nothing. So that's what I want to correct quickly. So see you. Since there is this lockdown, I haven't been to any establishment. So I'll be going to the bank now. I remember when I went to the bank just before they eased during the lockdown. Oh my! No, had the lockdown. No, they're just about to start the lockdown. Okay, so I'm with my friend Afam. Afam, say hi.
Hello.
Yeah. So I went to the bank, oh my god, just before the lockdown, when this whole corona thing was at its peak in Nigeria. My god, I was super duper conscious. It's not like I'm not conscious. Obviously, I'm still taking necessary precautions. Like I have my face mask here, I have my hand sanitizers and all that, but I was like super duper conscious. I was so uncomfortable. I couldn't really, in fact, I couldn't even sit. I couldn't sit in the bank at that point. Some lady, I don't know if she didn't know that this whole thing was going on. I don't know. And she was coming from the hospital, like, she was wearing their uniform and everything. That this woman works in a hospital. And guess what? It's like my zipper wasn't totally up at the back, and the lady came to help me zip up. Oh my god, I wanted to faint. I was like, oh my god, don't they understand what they call social distancing? I mean, I thought, this woman, give me a break. So immediately she tapped me like that. I just helped myself quickly, pulled up my zip, myself, and then immediately I did that to use hand sanitizer. I didn't care.
Some people are not as I don't know, they're not as
they're not as conscious
as other people.
Yes. And probably, that was still at the beginning. So probably she didn't really know. Maybe she hadn't been enlightened.
No, it's not about enlightenment.
Probably she didn't know about social distancing.
It's not about enlightenment. A lot of people know about coronavirus. They know about social distancing. But you still see some people like talking to themselves, facing themselves, talking very close. You understand? Probably spitting into each other. You understand? So people just have different levels of understanding. You understand? Some people I think those people might even think it's not real. You understand? So
this thing and that thinking is not real. There's so many people that said, na lie. We get some for here. Some don't scatter coronavirus.
They keep black man.
Corona they catch black man. But you know what? In everything, the truth is, I'm still thankful, in this part of the country, because we know that medical facilities is not all that at all. And God has just been on our side. That's just what I can say. So the lady I wanted to help me out in the bank has left the branch I just went to, so I have to go to another branch to meet her up, because I have to go to I'm done with everything I set out to do.